Ehren-Haus Industries, Inc., is proud to show just one example of the work they are doing to assist others with their virus management. Recently they worked with ID Shop, a Laminex company, to provide their customer, Charlotte Preparatory School, with sneeze guards to protect the students, faculty and support staff and parents. Stay safe and remember to clean all guards with a simple soap and water solution to keep them clean and pristine. Click the link below given in the description to visit our website or contact us to discuss your project.